All right, good day, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. My name is Ayomide Olale, also known as AOI Script. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your VS Code to share files between your system and your phone. Yeah, it's very straightforward and simple. So, let's get started. Now, the first I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to VS Code. Now, once you're on VS Code, you open the folder that the files you want to share are inside. The folder where the files you want to share are located. So you can just do that by clicking on this file here, and then click on open folder. Then you select the folder you want to pick. So now this is the folder I've opened here. I call the folder code snaps, and it has three images. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on Go Live to start the live server on VS Code. So make sure you have the live server extension on your VS Code installed. So without this, this feature cannot work. So now, next thing we now need to do is connecting our phone to our laptop. So the next thing is the phone you want to send a file to and your system has to be connected. Either both of them are connected to the same network or the system is connected to the hotspot of the phone. So let me do that right away. So this is my phone here, and I'll make sure that the hotspot of the phone is on. So the hotspot is on and the laptop is connected to it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is get the IP address of my system and type the IP address into my phone. So I'm going to open command prompt right now. So to get the IP address, just type IP config. So that's all you need to type. And then you now look for IPv4 address under wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. So this is the IPv4 address. And then this number right here, you type it on your phone. So I'm going to do that straight away. So you type 192.168.43.193 colon the port number that is on your VS Code. So this is the port number 5500 at the bottom right corner of your VS Code. So I'm going to do that 5500 and you press enter. Now I can see here that I can see the three files that are inside my folder. So I can pick whichever one I want and then download the image straight away. So that's basically how to send file from your laptop to your phone. Start the live server on your VS Code. Type the IP address in your mobile. You can use this to send PDF, video, a lot of other softwares. So thank you